In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit tags on Clickup. Clickup is an incredibly versatile app that's designed to serve as your go-to workspace for virtually every type of project, task, or goal. One of the fantastic features Clickup offers is the ability to utilize tags, which can significantly enhance your project organization and management by allowing you to categorize tasks for easier tracking and reference. Whether you're new to Clickup or you're looking to finesse your existing project management skills, understanding how to properly edit tags can be a game changer. Let's dive in. The process begins with navigating to the Clickup homepage. Clickup prides itself on being the everything app for work, and its homepage is where your journey to better task management begins. You'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface designed to make your work management both efficient and enjoyable. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to access your account by logging in. To do that, you will need to click on the login link and enter your email. Make sure you're entering the email associated with your Clickup account to avoid any access issues. It seems straightforward, but ensuring that you're using the correct email is crucial for a seamless login process. Following that, it's time to enter your password. Remember, your password is the key to your Clickup workspace, so treat it with care. If you've forgotten it, don't worry. Clickup offers easy password recovery options to get you back on track. Once you've successfully entered your email and password, the next step is to log in by clicking the Login button. Congratulations, you're now inside your Clickup workspace. Here, you're one step closer to editing those tags. First, navigate to the home page of your workspace. Your workspace is your control center where all your tasks, projects, and documents are housed. Once you're on the workspace homepage, proceed by selecting a task. Tasks are the fundamental units of work within Clickup, and they're where you'll often find yourself applying and editing tags. Clicking on a task will take you into the task's detailed view, where you can see everything from descriptions and due dates to attachments and of course tags. For our purpose, you'll want to select a specific task to edit its tags. You can do this by browsing through your task list and clicking on any task that you wish to manage. This action will open the task, giving you full access to all its details. Now to the crux of the matter, editing tags. Locate the tag section within the task details. Tags in Clickup are not just labels, they are powerful tools for categorization and prioritization, making them an essential part of task management. Once you find the tag section, click on it to begin editing. Editing tags might involve a few different actions. You could be adding new tags to better categorize your task, or maybe you're updating existing ones to reflect changes in task status or priority. Remember, the tags you choose and how you decide to apply them can significantly impact your workflow and productivity. They can be color-coded, named, and customized to suit your project's needs, offering a visually intuitive way to manage tasks and projects. There it is. Clickup is all about making project management as efficient and user-friendly as possible, and mastering the art of editing tags is just one step toward achieving that goal. Whether you're a project management guru or a beginner, understanding how to use tags effectively can help streamline your tasks, keep your projects organized, and boost your overall productivity. It's all part of making the Clickup experience truly your own, tailored to fit your unique work style and needs. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to experiment with different tags and find what works best for you and your team. And if you ever need to revisit how to perform any actions within Clickup, including editing tags, the Clickup Help Center, and community forums are fantastic resources at your disposal. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to edit tags on Clickup. Here's to organizing your tasks more effectively and making your workday a little bit easier. Happy tagging, and see you in the next video.